Hello students, now our next question is write the place value and the face value of all the digits of the given number. Okay, so from the given numbers we have to find out the place value and the face value. ठीक है, so first we have to check 8 is on ones place. Okay, so the place value of 8 is 8 into 1 means 8 multiplied by 1, it will be 8. Okay, and the face value is also 8. What I told you in the previous class, that the face value is the number itself. Okay, and what is place value? Place value is the number multiplied by the place on which it is. Means it is on ones place, then multiply 8 into 1, it will be 8. Okay, then the 6, we have to check the number 6. Number 6 is on tens place, so 6 into 10 is 60. Okay, the place value of 6 is 60 and the face value of 6 is 6. Okay, then 9 is on hundreds place. Okay, 100 place, then multiply 9 with 100, it will become 900. So the place value of 9 is 900 and the face value of 9 is 9 only. Okay, then 4 is on 1000 place, then multiply 4 with 1000, it will become 4000. Okay, 4000. Okay, it will become 4000. Next, face value will be the number itself, which is 4. Okay, from here in this part we have to check the place value of 2, which is on ones place. Okay, so 2 into 1 is 2 only, then it will be 2 and the face value is also 2. Why? Because the number itself is the face value. Okay, then 4 is on tens place, then 4 into 10 is 40. Okay, then here 4, face value is 4, then 2 is on 100 place, then 2 into 100 is 200 and 2 is on 100 place, so the face value is also 2. Next, 9 is on 1000 place, then 9 into 1000 is 9000. Okay, and 9 will be the face value. Okay, then comes C part. 5 into 1 means, because 5 is on ones place, then 5 into 1 is 5 and the face value is also 5. 8 is on tens place, so 8 into 10 is 80. Okay, and 8 will be the face value. 1 is on 100 place, so 1 into 100 is 100 and 1 will be the face value. Then 7 into 1000, because 7 is on 1000 place, so 7 into 1000 is 7000 and 7 will be the face value. Okay, then comes D part. In D part, first of all check the place value of 9, which is on ones place. Okay, then it will be 9, place value will be 9 and the face value will also be 9 here. Okay, then 9 is on tens place, then multiply 9 with 10, it will become 90. Okay, but the face value will be 9 only. Okay, then 9 is on 100 place, then multiply 9 with 100, it will become 900. Okay, and 9 will be the face value. Then 9 is on 1000 place, then multiply 1000 with 9 is 9000. Okay, then 9 will be the face value. Okay students, your next question is fourth. Look at the place values and write the numbers. Okay, 3 is on ones place, so on ones place 3 will come. Okay, then 40 is on tens place, then 40 is on tens place, then 4 into 10 is 40, then we have to write 4 here only. Why? Because when we multiply the number with the place value, then it will become the place value of the number. Okay, when we multiply number with the place on which it is, then the product will become the place value of that number. Okay, then comes 500, means 5 is on 100 place. Okay, so write 5 here. Okay, then 7,000, 7 is on 1000 place, so write 7 here. Okay बच्चों, जब 3 आपका वंस प्लेस पे होता है तो सेम नंबर रहेगा. ओके, और अगर 4 हमारा टेंस प्लेस पे है तो 4 इंटू 10 जब आप करोगे तब आपको 40 आएगा, तो आपका 4 जो है टेंस प्लेस पे रहना चाहिए. देन 5 जब आपका 100 से आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब आपका 500 बनेगा. सो इसका मतलब यह है कि 5 हमारा 100 प्लेस पे है. सो हमको 5 को कहाँ रखना है? 100 प्लेस पे रखना है, तभी तो ये 500 होगा, 500 होगा. ओके, देन 7 विल बी ऑन 1000 प्लेस, देन इट विल बिकम द 7000. ओके, मतलब आपको 7 जब आप 1000 प्लेस पे रखोगे तभी तो आपका 7000 बनेगा, इसलिए आपको 7 को 1000 प्लेस पे रखना पड़ेगा. तो आपका नंबर बनेगा 7 5 4 3. ओके, इट विल बी योर आंसर. In B part, first of all check the place value of 8. 8 is on ones place, so write 8 on ones place. Then 0 is on tens place, then write 0 on tens place. Then 500 means 5 on 100 place. Okay, then write 5 on 100 place, it will become 500. Okay, then when we write 3 on 1000 place, then it will become 3000. Then we have to write 3 here. Our answer will be 3508. Okay, now first of all we have to write 7 on ones place, then 5 on tens place, then 8 on 100 place. ओके, वाई? क्योंकि 7 हमारा वंस पे है, इसलिए हमें वंस प्लेस पे 7 रखना है. 50 कब बनेगा? जब हमारा 50 मतलब हो गया 5 इंटू 10. सो यहाँ पर आपकी मल्टीप्लाई 10 से हो रही है, इसलिए आपका ये टेंस प्लेस पे जाएगा. ठीक है, टेंस प्लेस पे जाएगा तो हमें टेंस प्लेस पे 5 रखना है. और आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं कि 8 100 है, तो 8 इंटू 100 है, इसलिए 8 को हम 100 पार्ट पे रखेंगे, 100 प्लेस पे रखेंगे. ओके, देन 9000 मतलब 9 हमारा 1000 प्लेस पे है, तो हमें 1000 प्लेस पे 9 लिखना है. ओके, देन आवर आंसर विल बी 9 8 5 7. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, then 0 is on ones place, write 0 here. 10 is on tens place, means 1 into 10. Okay, so we have to write 1 here. Okay, then 200, 2 is on 100 place, then write 2 on 100 place. then 5000 मतलब 5 हमारा 1000 प्लेस पे है, तो यहाँ पे हमने 5 लिख दिया। तो आपका आंसर जो होना है वो है 5210। ओके स्टूडेंट्स।